If you tried cleaning your shower glass with white vinegar and it didn't do anything for you, why do you think that is? So the good news is, in most cases, this cleaning hack actually works. So you take paper towel, stick it on the glass, spray it with vinegar, and then it sits there, and at dwell time will allow the hard water to break down. Look at the difference on the left and on the right. But why is it that for some people this does not work? So if you tried this cleaning hack with vinegar to clean hard water buildup and it's not going away, here's probably what happens. The minerals like calcium and magnesium have edged into the glass. And actually, when you take your hand and rub the glass, if you don't feel it on the hand, like any bump, and it feels somewhat smooth, that probably means the minerals have edged into the glass, and vinegar and even lemon juice are no longer going to clean this. So what do you do in this instance? So here are 4 things that you can do if vinegar and lemon juice have failed and they no longer work. So number 1, try something like an abrasive cleaner, such as Barkeeper's Friend. This stuff works great. Or if you have access to a steam cleaner, use steam to try and blast that stuff out of there. Number 2, if it's really bad, you can resort to glass polishing compound. And of course, you need something that has a polishing pad on it if it's really bad. Another option is you can call a professional and have the glass door resurfaced. Of course, that'll cost you a little more. And of course, with life, there is always the reality. Sometimes there is nothing you can do. You just have to replace the entire glass door, which I know is not something you want to hear, but it is sometimes the reality.